Welcome to my channel Raza Cool in English. So friends, in today's video, I am going to tell you in detail about all the functions and demo of LG Dual Inverter AC remote. So let's start the video. You can see the orange color button in the remote. With this button you can turn the AC on and off. After that the next button is temperature up down button. The more you press the temperature down button, the temperature will decrease. 16-degree temperature is the lowest temperature. In this temperature your AC will do a lot of cooling. The more you press the temperature up button, the temperature will increase. 30 degrees is the highest temperature. In this temperature your AC will do less cooling. And if you want comfort cooling and also want to reduce electricity bill, then use your AC in 26 degree. And you are feeling cold in 26 degree, then you use your AC in 27. And you are feeling hot in 26 degree, then you use your AC in 25 or 24. Then the next button is light off. If you have a display in AC which shows the temperature, if you want to turn off that display, then you can turn off the AC display with this button, but your AC will continue to run, just the light of your display will be off. After that the next button is fan speed. The air that comes from the indoor unit is for its fan speed. Fan speed works in 4 speed you can see in remote display. Now the fan speed is in low. Now the fan speed is in medium. Now the fan speed is on high. And now the fan speed is in auto. You can set the fan speed according to your own. If you set the fan speed to high then AC will chill your room quickly. After that the next button is comfort air. If you do not want direct AC air or you have problems with direct AC air, then you can use the comfort air button. By using this button, the swing flap of AC will throw air in the upward direction and press this button again. If you do, the swing flap of AC will throw air downwards. This function is a very good function. Then the next button is mode. This is cool mode. This is auto mode. This is dry mode. This is fan mode. Now let me explain you about the mode in detail. This is cool mode. In cool mode your AC will do the cooling according to you, and in this mode you can use all the buttons on the remote. Then the next mode is auto. In automatic mode the AC will do cooling on its own. You cannot set the temperature in automatic mode. In this mode the AC will run by maintaining the temperature of your body. And in this mode AC will work automatically. And if you are feeling less cool in auto mode, then you can also up down the cooling of your AC by pressing the up and down button of temperature. Dry mode. There is a lot of humidity in the rainy season and sticky heat. If you want to remove the humidity, you can use the AC in dry mode. After that press the mode button, then fan mode will come. AC cooling will not work in fan mode, only indoor unit fan will run. Suppose there is no fan in your room and you do not want AC cooling and you want to use AC fan only, then you can use fan mode. The next button is 4-in-1. You can save energy by using this button. By pressing this button you can see 80% of the remote. Setting to 80% will save 20% energy from your AC usage. After that you can see 60%. Setting to 60% will result in 40% energy saving from your AC usage. After that you can see 40%. Setting it to 40% will result in 60% energy saving from your AC usage. But the cooling of your AC will reduce and comfort cooling will not be felt. Then the next button is H-Cool. H-Cool means high cool. Generally it happens that whenever we turn on the AC, the compressor takes 3 minutes to start. But by pressing the cool button, the compressor starts in 1 minute and you are coming from outside to your room and your room is very hot. It is hot and you are feeling very hot in the room and you have to chill the room quickly and you want quick cooling, then you can use the H-Cool button. In this the room cools very quickly. Then the next button is Swing. This is the swing button for the use of the swing flap in front of the AC. It works in up-down. And where you want to stop the swing flap, you can stop it by pressing the swing button again. After that the next button is second swing. The swing flap inside the AC is for its use. It will use the second swing button. It works from right to left. And you can also use the swing flap according to yourself. After that the next button is room temperature. If you want to see the temperature of your room, then you can use this button. Then the room temperature will appear in the remote. Then the next button is Sleep. By pressing the sleep button AC becomes silent and the use of sleep button is very good, like suppose you have kept the temperature of your AC whatever, then every 2 hours the temperature will automatically increase by 1 degree temperature and you can keep it for 1 to 7 hours. You can set it for too much cold so you won't have trouble sleeping. Next button is Timer. To use the timer, you have to set your actual time in the remote, then after that you can set the timer. So I will tell you how to set the time. First you remove the battery of the remote and put it again and set the time of the remote and press the set button. And after the time is set, you set the timer with the small up-down button and press the set button. The timer will be set. It is very easy to set the timer. And if you want to turn off the timer, then you can cancel it with the set and cancel buttons. Or you can also turn off the timer by pressing the power button. After that you can see a small hole in the remote. If your remote is not working properly or hanging, then you can reset your remote with the help of pin. By pressing reset button, AC remote will start working perfectly. Hope you have understood the information given by me. Then do like my video.